Hey guys, Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over a really sleek AI translation glasses here from the folks at GenXenon. These are really sleek, non-prescription translation glasses here that have color change lenses. They can take calls, you can play music, and they're also IP65 waterproof rated. They can translate up to 164 languages built in. It's got a smart app making it easy for you to pair. And it's nice here that it will change color with indoor clear anti-blue light to an outdoor UV protective up to 400 protection. They support Android and iOS, and they're a nice companion here that do look sleek on you and are easy to integrate into your everyday carry. With that said, the folks at GenXenon did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Let's go ahead and test this out here and see if this is something you're interested in. Unboxing is pretty straightforward here. You can see that the lenses do have polycarbonate in nature. They do have a nice glass anti-reflective blue light, as well as once you're in sunlight, they do change to give you some UV protection. The chromoscope suggests here that it needs to be basked in the sun for more than 10 seconds here for it to change to give you that UV protection. You can see the temple pieces here, what house all of the technology. They are a little bit thicker than normal, but they're not that heavy, which is really sleek and nice to have. You can see here that the charging port is going to be at the bottom here of the temple. The hinges are nice and metal, and they give an accent to the device. The nose pad is nice and integrated here into the bridge, and you can see here that the glasses are non-prescription. They do fold up and will allow you to be able to place this into a regular glasses case, or you can replace them here in the box if you want to use that as your case. It does have a charging port, which is nice, and comes with a little protective lens bag if that's something you're interested in as well. It does have a proprietary charger port. It does need to be connected on both sides, as there are two batteries here housed in each temple, allowing you to be able to plug this into any USB 3.0 plug to start charging here when it's not in use. The speakers are integrated into the glasses, but there is some noise bleed here if someone is really near you, and you can see that it's now ready to pair as it flashes here for Bluetooth. With that said, once you have charged completely like I have, we're gonna go ahead and set up the app. EarDance is the app we're gonna be used to connect it. In the instructions, there is a QR code to get to the link. From the app, we're gonna go ahead and connect the device. You can go ahead and set up the AI assistant. We can click to speak. The microphone is being used here to check it out. Are AI glasses a good option to have in your daily life? You can see that the microphone picks that up nicely, and the AI assistant here can respond in kind as well. What's nice here is there are speakers or headphones that will tell you all the information that it's now going through here with regards to AI glasses. Now we can go ahead to the translation free talk section here. I do speak another language, so we'll see how well it's able to translate it. We'll go first from Chinese to English. 你好，我是潘家明，我喜欢我的眼镜. These headphones on these glasses are really great. What's nice here is the translation is very quick, and it's easy for it to be able to translate quickly. So you can see here that as you use the glasses, they're a great option to be able to translate the audio that you're in. I think it's a great companion to be able to have, and you can see the translation directly here as well. So if something gets misunderstood, then you can easily just provide them the phone for you to be able to do that. As a part of the feature here, you can use photo translation here. So if I wanted to, I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of these instructions. It's gonna use the AI technology in the app to then go ahead and transpose it into my ear. In the app, you can see here, it is superimposing English onto the picture, which I think is really nice. This is French. It was able to easily detect it, as well as give you detailed instructions here, depending on the picture that you take. With that said, I think the lenses are really nice. You do have an anti-reflective layer here on the lens. I think it's very comfortable. My temple is a little bit larger than normal, and these fit just fine. I think they're very sleek and easy to be able to integrate. And as you're in your daily, you can see here that you can interact with over 164 languages, which I think is really nice here. It is recommended that you charge it before your first use, and then the connectivity with the app was really easy. With that said, GenXenon did provide these to me complimentary and sponsor this video. I think they look really sleek. They're really nice to be able to integrate into your daily. I think these are a nice competitor to what's out there for these AR translation glasses. I think they fit really nicely in a travel bag. You can put them in a glasses case, and they're nice to be able to have. With that said, the folks at GenXenon did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.